Becoming a top talent in a company sounds so cool. But do you know what it takes to be identified as top talents in your company?
Welcome to Business and Management Podcast.
Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. Top talents are a subset of employees within a company that are identified as the top candidate for leadership development. They are prepared to be the future leaders of the company, to become the next director, the next president, even the next CEO. As such, the company is paying even more attention in developing the leadership of their top talents. Compared to the rest of the employees, it can be felt that top talents is like the golden children. They are typically getting the bigger project, the more strategic project, the crucible roles to give them the visibility and exposure to the senior management. And typically they are having high performance too, and therefore receiving a higher compensation. In pyramid organization, just like in any companies, only very few people will be identified as top talents versus the rest of the employees. While the top talents are getting promoted to the higher level, the rest of the employees are typically stay where they are, moving around within the same level, or finding better opportunities outside. Like it or not, that is the reality of a corporate world. So, are you interested to become a top talent in your company? These are some of what it takes to be identified as top talents in a company. Clear potential to senior management level. Top talent individuals shows promising potential to be developed, to be promoted to the higher management level. This high potential person is usually assessed by several senior management who come up with a consensus. In my past episodes, I explained the behaviors of high potential people. For example, learning agility, emotional intelligence, and the drive to succeed, the grit, the resilience, the persistence despite any difficulties. Outstanding business and organization results. Top talents consistently deliver results over and over again. Not only exceeding expectations for the business results, top talents are also over exceeding expectations for their organization results. They focus on both building the business as well as building the organization. Influence and presence. Top talent exhibit strong presence and therefore able to influence others, including senior management level. They are not afraid of speaking up their point of view in big meetings. Their presence is felt. They are skillful to navigate the political maze of a company. And they are able to use their political savviness to achieve either their own personal objectives as well as their business results. Top talents can see the big picture but can penetrate details when needed. Top talents have the flexibility to understand the business situation holistically from above, but at the same time have the ability to penetrate down deep into the detail level whenever it is necessary. Top talents are outstanding collaborators internally and externally. Top talents are team players. They know how to leverage human resources. They deliver results by actively collaborating with their multifunctional teams in a multicultural situation and sometimes in multiple time zones. They know how to connect with people. And most importantly, they know how to leverage different expertise by different teams to deliver results. Top talents know how to manage stakeholders effectively, both internal stakeholders as well as external stakeholders. Internal stakeholders such as their own multifunctional team and the senior management level. External stakeholders, for example, regulatory bodies and their agencies and vendors. Deep integrity. Top talents are trustworthy. They have unquestionable integrity in the way they behave themselves personally, as well as how they conduct their business. When facing with good times or bad times, they always choose to do the right thing. Top talents have huge capacity to work. Top talents can take a lot of workload, even beyond their peers. With their learning agility, the ability to work well with others, and the drive to succeed, they are able to release capacity and therefore able to take more work for them. And therefore, they're delivering more results for the company, and they become more valuable for the company as well. Having high work capacity is extremely important to become a top talent because they are prepared to move into the higher level in which the role most likely will become even more challenging with a bigger scope of work. How about you? Are you interested to become a top talent? Do you know what it takes to become a top talent? Please write down your comments below. If you feel that this podcast is beneficial, then please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends so that we can spread the benefits. Thank you so much. May you always be successful. All the best.